Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can address the 403 error, which is the forbidden error on your cPanel website. So let's get right into it. Now, error 403 or forbidden pretty much means that you're trying to gain access to something that you don't have the permissions for. Whether this is right or wrong depends on you, but pretty much there are three major causes, which are htaccess file rules, inadequate permissions, and incorrect ownership of a file. Now, of course, you can just go ahead and run the tail command to figure out what the error is. And as you can see, in this case, permission is denied. And as you can see, unable to check htaccess file, ensure it's readable and that this is executable. And this indicates that while trying to access the htaccess file, Apache reports a permissions issue, which you or your user does not have. So usually to ensure the correct permissions for each file, for most files it's 644, and for most directories it's 755, and you need to change those ownerships if you want to be able to access it. Now, you can just run this command, which is stat.htaccess, and is going to give you the stats of the file. And as you can see in this case, the access code is 0000, which is for the root instead of the cPanel user. And you can change that with the chmod command, which you just need to write this, and is going to change the mode of htaccess to 644. And you can also change the chown to change the ownership to the user by just chown vuser.htaccess, and that's going to give you the appropriate ownership to actually be able to access the file. Other than that, you can have another problem, which are htaccess rules, such as option indexes and deny from rules. If it says deny from all, you should just delete that line, since you don't want to deny it from everything, so that you can be able to edit it. And you can also add, or you should add, an index if you have options indexes enabled, because you do need to have an index file to be able to load that. And again, you just need to check in the the tail command to see why it's happening. Refresh the page, and the error should look something like this: client denied by server configuration. And if you get that, you can change some of these, and then you'll be able to actually run the page. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.